Welcome back, YouTube. So, doing an update because we see now that crypto is on an absolute tear, and I want to give you the updated price target. So, we have Doge at around 893 right now. So, we do have some weak support or resistance, excuse me, at around 944. But after that, we're looking at roughly around 11 cent. That's the area that we're looking to kind of retest before we regain any of this higher territory up here. So that's kind of going to be the big deciding factor. We do have a little pushback here at around like again, like 9.4, 9.5, but it's not anything like significant. And this is more so, we can have some battle territory here, but it shouldn't pose like any significant, any pushback until we get to that range here, which is roughly around another penny from where we are now. Now, the biggest thing that we're going to look at is whether or not the institutional level of money that's coming in. And we're going to have to use obviously Bitcoin to kind of gauge that. So let's take a look here. That's not the chart I wanted. Is it Bitstamp? Yep, there we go. Okay. So this is what we've been talking about over the last few days. This is a huge indicator right here, because you'll see that we have pretty much filled this gap here. Bitcoin has broken out. This is pretty much the lower segments of all the tiers down where it's support and like that bottom level. And Bitcoin has completely filled that gap and is on the verge of breaking out. And this is really, really significant here. The tail will be obviously at around like 22,831 roughly right here. This will be the tell, but we are really close. As you can see by this line right here that we are pretty much right at right now, this will be the tell. So this can be a really big turnaround for crypto in general, not just Bitcoin or Dogecoin, but I'm talking about crypto in general. This is a really, really huge tell here. So let's take a look here at shorts really quick. And both. Yeah. Shorts running for the hills in Bitcoin per usual. Let's see. Let's check Doge here, because we know the favorite game everyone likes to play with Doge. Oh my God, Dogecoin shorts are getting out of there too. So this is very interesting here. So this is definitely a big move institutionalized. Shorts are getting out of there. So this is very, very interesting. So yeah, we haven't seen this since this type of decline since, what is this, like early December. Yeah, so that's definitely both of these are really good signs, especially with Bitcoin's price action. That's a really good sign. But shorts getting out of there, that's really great as well. So we're going to be looking at roughly at around like the nine. Yeah, I say once we get another penny, we're going to have a very, very, we can make a very strong case to around 11 cent, and that real breakout period for Bitcoin, but for crypto in general, is going to be around like 22,000 for Doge. So this is going to be really interesting, because this can mean an early pivot or reversal here. We'll have to kind of obviously see if these levels will sustain themselves, but this can be a very early pivot. So this can really just throw some of the trajectories, or even with the CPI data and stuff, kind of out the window, because this could be a start to consolidate at a higher level. Now, obviously, we'll have to confirm this in the macros, but micro wise, this is absolutely astounding. So this is something that you can kind of look forward to. With that being said, check out the price ranges over like the next day or so. I'm not going to do too much speculation. I kind of want the price action to settle. So that's something we're going to look at overnight, and we'll check in like early tomorrow morning. I'll provide an update and kind of see where everything stands. So that's my new price target update based off of the current price action. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, and I will see you in the next video.
Detroit.